Hi to all, I am Anil Reddy Shankare from Ripples Learning Campus. Today we are going to learn a few tricks to solve a passage. Comprehension passage tricks. What is the meaning of comprehension first of all? Comprehension means understanding the matter which is written or spoken by others or which is written in the passage. So here a few tricks which can be useful for every student to solve the passage easily. The first one is give a glance at the passage. Glance means just we have to look at the passage only on the main words. Okay, instead of reading the total passage thoroughly, we should glance. Means we have to look at once the passage. Second one, pay attention on the headers and subheaders. We have to focus on the main words and where are the stress. While we are reading passage, we will get some words in a stress form. So we have to focus on the headers and the subheaders. Next, third one, focus on the starting and ending lines. While we are reading the passage, starting and the ending lines are very important. They can say as the theme of the passage. Okay, so we should focus on the first and last lines in the passage. Fourth one, understand the question clearly. After reading the passage, we can do the mistake here. We have to read the question clearly. If you are not read that, you cannot answer correct. So we have to read the question clearly and we should understand the question. Next, coming to the last trick, choose the correct option or elimination process. Either we have to choose the correct answer or we have to eliminate the wrong answers or the wrong options. So these are the 5 tricks to solve to notice the correct option in the passage. Follow this and you can solve. For example, I am going to explain with a passage. You can see here, good education is very important for a child and games too. Earlier, children played lot of indoor games, lot of outdoor games. They kept them healthy and happy. Sports and games taught the values and discipline. Nowadays, children are spending more time watching TV or playing computer games. Such a lifestyle is bad for health. So I have taken a small passage. So which kind of questions they may ask, you can guess the answers here. So every question have the 4 options, but I am giving here only question. I can give options to you. According to the author, children should. So according to the author, what the children should do. So you can see here first sentence. A good education is very important and for children and games too. So according to author's opinion, children should read and they should play. So the children should focus on the 2 things. One is on the studies and outdoor games. And the second question, playing outdoor games is good because what are the advantages of playing outdoor games? If you see here, playing out, these kept them healthy and happy. So when they play outdoor games, they may be healthy. They can get energy and they physically and mentally they can become healthy. So we have to focus on that. Playing outdoor games is good because they make them, the children, healthy and value and discipline. Next, nowadays means according to the passage. See, while we are solving a passage, we have to focus on the passage only. According to the passage, what is the meaning of nowadays? Nowadays means these days. Last one, such a lifestyle refers to. If you see the passage here, such a lifestyle is the last line. This phrase is indicating which kind of lifestyle. Which kind of lifestyle is. So here the answer is which kind of lifestyle means the lifestyle the children are spending time on watching TV or playing video games. So this kind of lifestyle make their health bad. It means they become unhealthy. So these are the tricks we can use to solve a passage. Thank you all. By following these tricks, you can solve the passage very easily and correctly.